Woza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly, I'm no longer laughing because it's no longer funny. Kuno MMC wasemajabheni oziphe itender yamasola e-15 million. Awade yena itender nangu naye futhi owakagogo. So it's no longer funny. It's no longer a laughing matter. This one is a serious problem. If the government can't attend to these issues, and I think it's high time now that ordinary citizens of this country must attend to these kind of things. We can't be having reports like this on a daily basis under the government of national unity that was said to be the best. Because when we were outcasted as MK Party, it was said that this government that they were building was going to be the best ever because it had the DA in there. And they told us they are going to create employment. So I don't know whether this is the kind of employment that they were talking about. So if this government does not deal with these things, you people, you need to actually start fighting this nonsense. Because you voted. You may have not voted for MK Party, it's fine. But you voted for the ANC. 6 million of you voted for the ANC. So I don't know whether you are happy with this nonsense. We get reports like this week in, week out. It can't be business as usual, guys. Putie awarded himself a 15 million tender. Puti. 15 million tender. Yamasola. Nae, Waga Green. I don't know, Gucci. What is that you need to say now? Mina I'm lost for words. Ukuthi kwathiwa thina sivinjwa ngoba thina kuthiwa ngama-crook, corrupt, kwabalwa zonke lezi zinto. But we see this on a daily basis. On a daily basis, there are reports like this one. On a daily basis. Bengiqeda ukureporta ngabo Poppy Ramathupa laphana no Bando uBaskat, Bando lo Makam. Not so long ago. Ngapha Spizi nabo Nomagugu, nabo Hlomuka, nabo Sibiya. It's an everyday thing. In different provinces. Under the GNU of Cyril Ramaphosa and Helen Zille. So, what is it that these people are trying to stop MK for? Do you honestly think this was going to happen under the MK Party? Honestly speaking.